Hello students, today I am going to explain the variation of atomic radius in the periodic table. So what is the atomic radius? Atomic radius is what? That is generally the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell. Okay? This is nucleus. And this is the valence shell. You can say outermost shell also. So the distance between the nucleus and valence shell, this distance, that is called the atomic radius. Now the next thing is that the nuclear charge. What is the nuclear charge? Nuclear charge is nothing, that is the total positive charge which is present on the nucleus in the atom. And this charge is due to the presence of proton. You know very well, in the nucleus there is only proton and neutron. So neutron has no charge and proton has positive charge. So the total charge which is bear the nucleus, that is due to the presence of proton. Okay, now how atomic radius vary down to the group? Firstly, I am taking the variation in the group down to a group. I am taking here group number 1A, that is the group of alkali metal. In this group, we can see lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These are the some metal which is present on this group. The atomic number of lithium, that is 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37 and cesium 55. So according to this atomic number, the electronic configuration is what? That is 2 1 for 11, 2 8 1 for potassium, that is 2 8 8 1 for rubidium, that is 2 8 18 8 and 1 for cesium, that will be 2 8 18 again 18 8 and 1. So what you will see, when we are going from top to bottom in a group, the number of shell is going to increase. You can see here 2 shells, here 3, here 4, then 5, then 6. So due to increases the number of shell, the atomic radius will increase. Okay, if there is 2 shell, so the atomic radius is what? If this is the nucleus, 1 and 2. 2 shells are there. So this is the atomic radius. If there is a 4 shell, I am taking some other example of 4 shell. Okay, so the atomic radius is this. So you can see if the number of shell are going to increase, the atomic radius is also increase. Okay, it doesn't mean nuclear charge is not here. Nuclear charge is here, but the effect of nuclear charge on the outermost shell is not too affected due to the increases of this distance. Since valence shell is now present at a very long distance, so the nuclear charge is not more affected on the outermost shell, and that's why the atomic radius is going to increase. Okay, so when we are going from top to bottom, the atomic radius will be increased and nuclear charge will be decreased. Now for periods, I am taking the example of period 2. There is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. ठीक है, these are the element of period 2. So the element of atomic number of these element, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You know very well the atomic number is equals to the number of electron and number of proton. If number of electrons are here, means the number of electron are also same. So the number of proton and the number of electron both are equal in this. It's mean here plus 3, the number of proton will give the nuclear charge. ठीक है, means nuclear charge on lithium will be plus 3. Here atomic number 4 means number of proton will be 4 and the nuclear charge will be plus 4. Number of proton will be 5, nuclear charge will be plus 5. Nuclear charge will be plus 6, nuclear charge will be plus 7, nuclear charge will be plus 8, nuclear charge will be plus 9, nuclear charge will be plus 10. Okay. Now what will be the electronic configuration? That is 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8. Okay. Now you can see when we are going from left to right in the period, the number of shell will be same. There are 2 shells in each and every element. Okay, the shells, the number of shell is not going to increase, but the nuclear charge is going to increase due to increases in the number of proton. So the effect of nuclear charge on the outermost shell will be increased, and due to this, what happen? The outermost shell will be going closer towards the nucleus, and due to this, the atomic radius will be decreased. Okay, since in the nucleus there is plus 5, the nuclear charge is plus 5, and in the outermost shell there are 3 electrons. You know very well opposite charge attract to each other, so negative charge is less due in the comparison of positive charge. So nuclear charge increases and it will attract the outermost shell toward its. And since the outermost shell will be going closer towards the nucleus, and that's why atomic radius will be decreased. So when we are going from left to right, the nuclear charge is increasing, and due to this, the atomic radius will be decreased because the outermost shell will be affected with greater nuclear charge, and the atomic radius will be decreased. So what is the variation of atomic radius when we are going down to the group from up to bottom? Due to increases of number of shell, the nuclear charge will be decreased and the atomic radius will be increased. When we will move from left to right in the period, the number of shell will be same, but the nuclear charge will be increased, and due to this, the atomic radius will be decreased. Okay, so this is the variation of atomic radius in the periodic table. Okay.